BB851, turn right, heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established 27.
Hey everyone, I'm DJ's Aviation and I'd like to welcome you all to this video. Today, once again, we have the news that another aircraft with an airline has just emerged. This time, it is with Airbus and Philippine Airlines. Pictures have just been shared and reveal the very first Philippine Airlines A350, which is rolled out of the paint shop in a shining full livery. The carrier ordered 6 of the A350-900s at the 2016 Singapore Air Show, with an option for a further 6 if they wish to activate them. The carrier has also been noted to be interested in the A350-1000, but they still haven't made a move on that particular variant of the A350 series. This A350 will feature a 3-class premium layout and will be mainly used to fly from the Philippines to Europe and the US. However, other routes haven't been ruled out by the carrier. One of the first routes will be from Manila to New York, operated with a stop in Vancouver, and of course a flight to London Heathrow. Other routes in the works that are within Europe and are highly speculated include Paris, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, and Rome. The PAL Chief Executive and President has said, as we take delivery of these aircraft, we will introduce new destinations in the US to Chicago and Seattle. It is a smaller airplane than the 777, so it's a good airplane to fly to new destinations. With multiple new aircraft coming out, including the A350-1000, A350-ULR, 787-10, 777X, A330neo, and more, I'd love to hear in the comment section which one you are most excited to see thrive in the industry today. Thank you very much for watching another one of my videos, and I do hope to see you all in the next one.